giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele. Today joining us in studio is our good friend Darren Andrews of We Grow Hair Indy. He is the clinic director there, and we're here to talk about the difference between hair transplants and non-surgical hair treatment. Let's talk about the biggest difference between those two, Darren.
Yeah, thanks for having us, Laura. So hair transplants, outpatient medical procedure where you're taking genetically permanent hair from the back and relocating it to the top. So if you've physically lost follicles, hair transplants put those back. Treatments are early stage hair loss prevention options. So if you're just starting to notice hair loss, hair is starting to thin, male or female, treatments help to stabilize the hair loss and work with the existing hair follicle.
Okay, so let's talk about a couple of people, clients I should say, that are specific transplant treatments and the treatment clients as well and their results, if we can.
Yeah, so Dave first, well-known local media personality. Dave had a hair transplant. Now, Dave's in front of people a lot. This time of the year especially with 500 coming up, it's kind of his niche area these days. So he really wanted that strong frontal look. So we did a multi-unit hair grafting hair transplant with him, took the hair from the back, moved it to the top. Josh, on the other hand, younger guy, early stage hair loss, didn't want or need a hair transplant, wanted to stabilize and reinforce the hair loss. So we went with treatments, principally plasma treatment, utilizing his own growth factors.
Okay, let's talk about the treatment and also the transplant. Front, back, wherever?
Yeah, different areas. So treatments, you can treat the entire top of the scalp as long as the follicle is still active. Now with hair transplants, we can do the crown. We've got an example, Dwight. Dwight had a large crown area, filled that crown in. Then we've got Cole, where we have this large frontal area. So both of Dwight and Cole are multi-unit hair grafting hair transplants. We also offer an artist robotic FUE hair transplant, but for these guys, multi-unit hair grafting was the way to go.
And you're a client as well.
I am. So 20 years ago, had a hair transplant, took the hair from the back, moved it to the top, multi-unit hair grafting, had one procedure. I often joke about hair color. Obviously, it's different than it used to be, but that's testament to the fact that whatever the hair does on the back, when you move it to the top, it maintains that. So look, I feel great about my hair. I love talking about the technology we have and how we can help people change their lives.
All right, so let's talk about people that consider different options. Why should they go with this option and contact you?
Yeah, look, over 20 years experience now. We offer every medically available proven solution, and we're here if you need us. It's not just come in, do the treatment, be gone. We're available for questions, anything you need. Hair loss is a journey, and we're there with you right from the very start. So we take a lot of pride in that.
Thank you so much, Darren Andrews of We Grow Hair Indy. If you'd like to see your organization or your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@WTHR.com. Thank you, Darren Andrews.
Thank you.